Okay, so right now we just pulled into the camp spot, Hobo Campground, and yes, there is a camp house. Yay! Yay, yay, yay. But this is something different. This is the Miracle Hot Springs. You can actually even see it, the old sign still right there. Let me turn this off or I get copyright. Okay. And the gates close. And they've had this before where they've had to put do not enter crime tape where they actually shut it down. 25 this time, which we've already stayed at before. We meaning Todd and me. Welcome to Miss Jess Adventures. Ooh, the little walk-ins are actually not too bad down there. A little cliffy, but hey, camp host. I wonder if I'm supposed to say hi. Yeah, we've been.
You know, no blast, no fire still.
Okay. I was worrying about the fire.
Springs are closed.
What's going on? What happened?
Somebody died.
I was wondering. I was just saying that.
Died in there.
Yep.
Let out.
So as we learned from the camp host, there was a death at Miracle Hot Springs that caused the federal government to come in and destroy the tubs. We took a walk down there, but it's quite graphic. But I don't want to show too much of the hot springs, but I will show a teeny bit before it was completely destroyed by jackhammers. We are camping at the last camp spot at 25 at the very end of Hobo Campground. It is a great place to camp and go soak at Miracle Hot Springs when the hot springs was available to us. I will be adding the hot springs what it was before, and it should look like when they rebuild. Let's hope and pray that Miracle gets back to where it used to be, or even better. Crazies, they don't know who did it, and that's what it sounds like.
Yeah, they say that he tripped and bled out.
Yeah,
He was drinking.
Like I said, don't want to end up in the river, and he bled out. Ugh. And then the government came in and smashed all the tubs again, which they did like back in the 90s.
Sounds mysterious.
And they've been threatening to actually do this to them, but they haven't done it yet, but I guess they did it. So we'll take a walk down there and check it out, get some video of it. Very sad. Miracle sounds like it's gone for quite a while. It happens to Miracle Hot Springs, but yeah, this is our camp spot. This is it right down there. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at our beautiful spot. All right, time to set up. I'm gonna take off some of these clothes. I got way too much. I got the sexy sweatpants on. That's what my friend calls them. There's an osprey right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's out of these trees right in there. See the white head? Turns out this was a bald eagle. Saw it the next day at Remington. And then there was a Swanson hawk right there. Like, you see the Swanson hawk right there. Beautiful hawk. But the osprey hanging out over here. I think Todd's doing his first talking to his camera. I think he's doing it. It's so hard to start talking into your camera. Yeah. So we're going to pack up and then we're going to go over to Remington, we think. And then we're going to take a walk down to Miracle tomorrow morning. Because we definitely want to soak. So here's the gate to Miracle, and supposedly the tubs are all smashed up. We're going to go check it out. Shit, maybe that's what we're gonna go take a drive over to Remington real quick. And if the parking lot's empty, which if this is already this packed, I'm guessing that Remington's packed to the gills. Okay, now this time we're taking the right trail. That's the wrong trail. No, Todd, where are you going? This way. Go on the wrong trail.
Yeah, you don't want to go down that way. You were like on our butts.
That's the parking lot.
The last time you were going down, remember?
Yep. Follow the CB. I'll go over to this rockway. You can park right up there too, but nobody really parks up there, so your car's gonna be kind of alone. I like my car to be with somebody, but they're actually all leaving right now, so that's the only reason we're actually walking down is everyone's leaving. It seemed like, so it'd be a perfect time to go do like a good 30-minute soak and then head back up. But the wind should calm down. Chaps, come here. Chaps, come on. So you start seeing the whole like nice part of the trail, which we missed last time, and it was like weird. Instead, we saw a cliff that we got to have a rope to climb down with, and you absolutely needed the rope. Huh?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, so you get the cliff. That's so. Good boy, Chaps. See, I gathered him up to make sure that he's a good boy. Just on that really steep part, sometimes he makes me fall. So this is really steep actually already. So just for people to know that this is not an easy trail.
Make sure to bring water down with you.
Oh yeah.
You don't want to overheat.
And definitely bring your micheladas. Or some people might have them down here for you. Very cool though. Pack your garbage out. That is a serious note on this one. Oh, fun. Here we are at the Miner Tub. We have some campers up there having a fire, which is interesting. There's fire restrictions right now. Please don't do that. But I'm not going to be the one telling them. But this is the Miner's Tub where, God, they've done such a good job redoing it. Is it nice too right now?
Well, that's cool.
Sometimes it's real hot.
It's not hot.
I mean, it's not hot, but it's like nice. Like when it's like 100 degrees out. Oh, it's cold.
Yep.
Really cold. That's interesting. Oh, it's not coming out. The spring's not coming out. That's why. Interesting. It dried up. Okay. Drought 22. So there's the right trail, y'all. I'm not going to be loud about this. I'm going to do a teeny bit of filming down there. Be respectful to the hot springs. Hey, follow CB. CB knows what's up. Follow the CB. You'll be fine. Just don't follow the blue arrows and you'll be fine. And I'm not too happy about this fire going on. Here's where we are. And there's the river. I'll do some more of this when I'm down there, but not much. Everyone just left and the tubs just got cleaned. Okay, I've never seen it like this. It's completely in drought right now. I mean, completely. There's the steps we just went down. And here's the steps I'm going down. Very treacherous trail. If you don't know how to hike, I don't recommend doing it. It's not treacherous, but it's pretty bad. Whoa, look at all the tubs are just so droughted down. Weird. If the natural one's all good. These are the new ones. They're so nice.
Worry about that.
Somehow, Hot Toddy and me always get here when the tubs have been clean. Like always. But I only come on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Thursdays maybe. Got lucky one time out there.
Souls over here.
Cheers. Cheers to our soul.
Oh yeah.
It's so pretty. Look at it. Walking around. So pretty. Look at the beautiful tubs. That's where the source is, right there. This one's actually cooler, Todd. Now we get to go back to camp and figure out what we're going to do for lighting or cooking. That'll be interesting. He's thinking about flies. So pretty. That looks a lot lighter on camera than it is. Let me start hiking up. All right, so slowly but surely. Have a good night. Yeah, one other person here. Ah, enjoy. And be safe. Steps. This was in my other video, but not this dark. We're gonna come back down here tomorrow though, I think too. But I'm not gonna videotape tomorrow. So pretty. Oh, beautiful. What a trail. And after we're a good soak. I'm gonna see if we'll go by here again. But hey, note to self too and others for safety reasons of coming down here. Go up before it gets dark. Because there's a ton of trails that you could seriously get lost on. And try to follow the wood and the CB tags. But otherwise, yeah, I would suggest get out before it gets dark. My legs feel like they're shaking. Head feels like it's pounding. We still have such a long way to go. No, I think we're more than halfway. He's taking the shortcut. I'm gonna go the right way. It's really pretty right now. Can't tell, but it's like purple. Jeff's waiting for Mom to get off this beam. All right, let's go. Whew, glad I kept my shorts on though. It's hot. These little steps are. These are at the top of it. Like ruined steps, it reminds me of. I see my car. Ah. Happy Halloween, folks. These cool rocks. Guess we went the wrong way. Huh. Think, but how cool, right? Ah, I love Kern County for this. The rocks are amazing. All right, I'll go the right way then. Night night, folks. Okay, cheers to Belton. Well, it was a long time ago, but we missed it, but here we are now. We both have a raspberry at the end. How cute is that? How... In my shadow. My Playa del Carmen Tulum. So sad. There's one of the areas I destroyed. Here's the source.